No matter how many cameras or how fast the charging speeds other brands provide, when it comes to security, iPhones are miles ahead. And this isn't just Apple's marketing talk, it has been proven again and again. Remember the FBI's 2016 battle with Apple, where they couldn't unlock an iPhone belonging to a terrorist suspect? Or when multiple law enforcement agencies around the world admitted that breaking into a locked iPhone takes advanced tools, time, and massive resources. These cases show one thing clearly: when privacy and security are at stake, Apple treats it as the ultimate priority. Now with the iPhone 17 series, Apple is taking this commitment to a completely new level. The company has introduced a groundbreaking feature called Memory Integrity Enforcement, MIE, which it describes as the biggest leap in memory safety ever seen in a consumer operating system. That's not a small claim. It's Apple essentially saying this is the strongest shield iPhones have ever had against advanced digital threats. So, what exactly is MIE and why is it such a big deal? In simple terms, this feature is designed to counter some of the most dangerous forms of spyware and hacking techniques that exploit tiny cracks in software memory. With MIE, Apple has built a system of always-on memory protection that covers not just the core of iOS, but also over 70 user-facing processes. This is powered by the new Enhanced Memory Tagging Extension, EMTE, giving attackers fewer places to hide. Apple has also delivered additional memory safety improvements for older iPhones, showing that security upgrades aren't only reserved for those who buy the latest flagship. Developers are also part of this security revolution. Apple has made EMTE available in Xcode under its enhanced security tools. This means apps built for iOS can now adopt the same protections, spreading the benefits far beyond just the operating system. The bigger picture here is what this means for the spyware and surveillance industry. Apple's own evaluations suggest that with MIE, building and maintaining exploit chains will become exponentially more expensive and far more difficult. Techniques that hackers have relied on for the past 25 years are essentially being disrupted in one move. At the end of the day, the iPhone 17 lineup isn't just about shinier screens or camera upgrades, it's about Apple completely reshaping the battlefield of digital security. And if history is any indication, this will once again set a standard the rest of the industry will struggle to catch up to. So, what do you guys think about all this? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video.